Hello friends, welcome to our next tutorial on CSS properties and CSS optimization. So in this tutorial we are going to cover you about lots of things of CSS properties and some CSS effects. So if you haven't liked our channel, please like it right now so that you will get an update of anything, okay, that's related to the web. So what I'm going to do right now, guys, I'm going to create an HTML page. In this page I am putting some page name. It is index2 supposed to be. So now today in this tutorial I am discussing right now about the difference between the page visibility difference between the display none and visibility hidden. So what I am going to do right now, I am going to be creating two containers. First is ABC and second is ABC2, and adding some effects to it and adding some CSS to it and effects. I am giving a width, I am giving a height, I am giving float left, I am giving background color. Okay. In this one, I am doing the same thing, but changing a background color. You can see these two containers will come. So display none. If I will do, then what happens? Display none hides this container, so that the next container it is coming ABC2 that will come instead of space of first container. So actually display none hides the container and its positions. It will remove all the things whatever that first container contains. But if you talk about the page, if you talk about the visibility hidden, so the visibility hidden will remains their area. So instead of display none, what I will do, I say visibility hidden. So you can see the space remains the same. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the overflow right now. What the overflow will do actually. Whenever we have put it more than content outside this container area, then the content will overflow the container. So what I am going to do right now, I am putting some kind of content here. Okay, then you can see what happened. The content is going outside my container. Okay, what I want, the content that is going outside my container will not be visible. So I say overflow hidden. Then what happened? It is not visible. But this is not a good command. I want to show it now. So by default it is visible. So I say scroll. You can see the scroll will come. But it's not a good effect. Why? Because if I have removed the content, and you can see it will show a behavior of a scroll. So what I will do, I will say auto. Auto is the best command to do it. Whenever you want to fix the height and you want a container will come, but it's a scroll. You can see the scroll is not given. Once I will put the content here, the scroll will come automatically. So it's the best command. If you are looking to give this kind of effect, you can guys give it. This is doing in the x-axis as well as in the y-axis. If you are looking to do it only in the x-axis, you can put x. If you are looking to put in y, you can put y. Okay. Now I'm talking about some more stuffs. Guys, if you are want to merge some CSS properties, you can see there are lots of times the CSS properties are common. Like if you talk about this one, so in this case the CSS properties are very common. So what I will do, I will put some kind of comma to merge all these properties. So you can say I am defining nav. In this thing I say with 1000. I have removed it from there. I will say wrapper. Wrapper also contains the same width, and nav have the same width. And in the future, if anything will contain the same space, I will put the comma here. Then if I say nav, then wrapper nav space li that contains float left, I can directly put it here. Why? Because those properties which are repeating again and again, we don't need to put it like this. We can put it one, it will go everywhere. Okay. So by using a comma, you can merge some of the properties. Why I haven't put it the float left directly here? Because it will also go in the wrapper. And keep in mind, guys, one thing. These are the very important properties of CSS optimization. I have seen lots of persons are writing the CSS like this. This is not a good command. It is taking a white space. White space also takes their space, and it will not. It will take time for loading a page. So keep in mind, and there are some rules of loading a page. You can merge the properties by using a comma. Don't give the white space. And if something is just going again and again, is coming again and again, try to use a class instead of ID. So in this tutorial, I told you about the CSS optimization. I told you about the display none and visibility hidden. Okay. So guys, if you like our tutorials, please subscribe our channel, that is Ashwani Bhatia, and don't forget to like our Facebook page as well, that is facebook.com/blog area. Thank you for watching us. Subscribe our channel. Thank you. Like, subscribe and share.